Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. These make baking so much more fun and easy. Even though I'm really not that great at baking, I feel like it's definitely a really good bonding experience. So I make sure that we do it very frequently. These cupcake muffin liners really make it more easy and fun. The colors are really good, and the shape of them really makes for unique cupcakes or muffins. They fit really well nicely into a muffin tin, and they make cleanup a lot easier. They're really easy to take out of the liners. Even little hands can take them out. If you notice, the inside, really super easy to clean. Nothing really sticks, so you can just wipe it out, rinse it off with your hands, and just throw them in the dishwasher. So if you want to make baking so much more fun and easy in the kitchen, easy cleanup, and so much fun, I would definitely recommend this product. I really love using them. My daughter loves using them. My whole family loves using them. It really makes a big difference in the kitchen, and that's my point of view.